Welcome to Gdansk. Left the Christmas market and the bells are ringing out for Christmas Day. So our first full morning in Gdansk, we're going to see all the sights today. So this behind me here is Green Gate, formed part of the royal residence. Just going to have a walk down by the river, have a look at the old town from the other side. So yeah, look at these buildings. And that weird one at the end is the Great Crane. We're going to see that a bit later on. So now we're in the actual old town, Green Gate behind us. Look at that building there. Just amazing buildings. Everywhere you look, everywhere. So this is Neptune's fountain, a famous symbol of Gdansk, and behind it, the town hall. Amazing building. And this behind me is the artist's court. In the 16th and 17th century, artisans, merchants, aristocrats used to meet here for their trading, and also to have performances of jugglers, dancers, all sorts of things going on in there. This is what they look like, the lords and the people hanging around, maybe drinking ale and mead from these vessels. And this white building here is regarded by many as the most beautiful building in Gdansk. It's known as the Golden House. Welcome to the oldest house in Gdansk. 1451. You can actually see the dead insects inside. So Gdansk made its fortune from amber back in the day. And then of course the Soviets came and then became famous for Lech Wałęsa and the Solidarity movement. Today Gdansk is the biggest shipping port in Poland, one of the biggest cities, and now becoming a major tourist draw. And you can see why. Look at that! And even the modern buildings over there are tastefully done. Beautiful church though, apparently one of the biggest brick churches in the world. Step 300, 3/4 of the way. What sort of building would have this grand door? Tell you what it is, just a perfumery. So now we're just passing this gorgeous building. So we found the marketplace. fruit. Polish fruit. Pears and apples. And this church behind us is St. Catherine's, the oldest church in the city. Look at that. Back in the Christmas market by day. So now we're just heading to the Great Crane, but I thought I'd switch the camera on here just for the sight of that. Look at it. So here, the Great Crane. So yeah, it's showing. So there, they would be turning on these things. So it was from medieval times, it was damaged in 1945 but rebuilt in the 1950s. So it's a memorial to the Polish defenders. Heading to the sea. 350 miles that way, Sweden. Look at this building here, shelled to death. Yes, on the 1st of September 1939, the Polish garrison here got attacked by naval and armed forces. That battle marked the first shots of World War II. That's why this place is such a historically significant place. Now heading towards the big monument.